8, State of Texas versus Coral Yanis, and that's Linda Corley.
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Miss Corley.
Beg your pardon?
Good morning, Judge. I'm here for Linda Corley.
Oh, okay. Kim
Beza.
Beza. And what are you doing this morning? Where's
Judge, we
your client?
recently
Is she here?
I'm trying to check to see if she's here, Judge. I haven't seen her yet.
I'm here.
There she is, Judge.
Yanis. There you are. Coral Y, huh? Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
What are your intentions, Ms. Beza?
Judge, we recently received 2 videos that we still need to review these last couple of days. So we're going to ask for a reset so we can have a chance to review those 2 videos, which we just received.
Defense reset or discovery review. 2 weeks, do you, or what do you want?
That's fine. That's fine, Judge. 2 weeks is fine.
2 weeks.
He's on. He just
All
came
right.
on.
Thank you. 623, that will be reset for you. You're both excused at this point.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
Y'all take care, stay safe. 623-506, State versus Roberto Facundo Garza, and that is Marshall White.
Yes, Your Honor. Good morning.
Morning, Marshall.
Is Mr. Garza on?
Roberto Garza. He is absent at this time. Mr. White, we'll have to wait a little while, see if he shows up.
Judge, I think he has 2 more cases on the docket.
Right. We'll see if he shows up on any of them. 631-223, State versus Juliana Herrera, and that's Suzanne Kramer. Suzanne Kramer, ma'am.
On Suzanne Kramer's, she has 6 other Zoom hearings and will show up to ours as soon as she's done with those.
All right, it'll be nice if Ms. Herrera shows up. Is she here?
I'm here.
Very good. All right, then you're both accounted for. Ms. Herrera, just hang around. We'll see how long it takes for your attorney to get here. She's stacked up today.
Okay, thank you.
Judge,
Thank
I'm
you.
sorry. Mr. Garza just informed me that he's in the waiting room on the Zoom call.
All righty. Patricia, we have
There.
him waiting.
There's no one there, Judge. Everyone's admitted.
Well, no, he might be on somebody else's waiting room.
There's
Marshall,
33 people on.
all right, he's not one of them. Or perhaps he is.
What
We'll
was
see.
his name?
Roberto Garza.
Roberto Facundo Garza. Okay, we'll wait. 635-366, State versus Alan Lagaril, and that's Rose Zabel, his attorney.
Judge Rose is also in the 290th sentencing and with an inmate, so she'll log on as soon as done there.
Very good. So she is present. Alan Lagaril, I'm marking absent at this time.
Oh, Your Honor, how you doing?
Are
I'm
you
here.
Alan?
No, John Garcia, the attorney. How do you spell the last name? Is it G-U-E-L?
No, sir.
Okay, no, I got the, no, I thought it was someone else. Go ahead.
You're incorrect at this point, Mr. Garcia. All right,
All right, thank you.
60, hang in there, 635-897, State versus Michael Stetson. And
Attorney Melissa Lesniak.
Lesniak.
Yeah, Attorney Melissa Lesniak present for the defendant. Your Honor, I believe he is logged on to Zoom. If he could please unmute and announce he's here.
I'm present.
And Judge, I'd like to confer with the state.
All right, you're number 1 to confer. Now, That's Mr. Stetson. You're the one that shows Galaxy A11?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, very good. Thank you. 636540, State versus Donovan Amesquita, and that is Michael Valachek, his attorney. Michael Valachek. No answer. Donovan Amesquita, absent at this time. 63080, State versus Maribel Rubio, and that's Karen Corby.
Yes, Your Honor. Turn my video on. I am here on her behalf, Your Honor.
Ms.
I have received information and I have some medical documentation. She's been in the hospital with some serious medical issues since the middle of April. I would just ask the court, and they're trying to get her out so she can go home with home health care or whatnot. I was asking
All right.
the court if you would give me a reset.
What do you think, 30 or 60?
I'd say 60, Judge, please.
All right, we'll reset you 60 days.
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am, you may.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Take care and be safe. 639709, State versus Bryce Hogans. And Ms. Lesniak,
Yes, I'm present. I have spoken with my client. He should be logged on. If he is present, could he please unmute and announce?
I'm here.
Bryce
Thank you.
Hogans, I see you. You're one of those people that I'm always envious of, because I've got hardly no hair and you've got a whole lot. So, yes, ma'am, Ms. Lesniak.
I would like to confer with the state.
All right. That's twice that you're conferring, but that's good. We'll just hang loose. As soon as I finish the docket, we'll assign you to breakout. 639747, you're welcome, ma'am. Victor Dominguez. And that's Suzanne Kramer. She is still present, but out of the court. Victor Dominguez, speak up if you're present.
Yes, Victor Dominguez here present.
Very good. Thank you, Mr. Dominguez. Your attorney is in another court. She's really stacked up today. Just hang in there, relax and wait. She'll be in sooner or later. Thank
Yes,
you
I
for being
understand.
here. 645687, State versus Karina Wood, and that is Ivan Barrera's attorney.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present
Good
and
morning.
my client is present as well.
Very good. Karina Wood. Karina Wood.
Yes,
Speak
Your
up.
Honor, present.
There you are. Okay, very good. Mr. Barrera,
Yes, Judge.
what are your intentions today?
Judge, she wants to go through the Veterans Court. I've already filed a order to transfer, so we just need to move it over to County Court 6.
All right. We'll be looking to that.
Thank you, Judge. And that's it for me, Judge. May me and my client be excused.
Patricia, we'll just go ahead and do the transfer.
Yes, sir. I'll
All
do
right.
it today.
Very good. All right. You'll get notice, Mr. Barrera and Ms. Wood. You are excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. 646322, State versus Priscilla Vasquez. And that is Roosevelt. The attorney is present in another court. Priscilla Vasquez, speak up if you're here. Priscilla Vasquez. Marked absent at this time. 650312, State versus Joseph Guajardo. Suzanne Kramer. Joseph Guajardo, if you're present, speak up. Wave your hands, do something. Joseph Guajardo is marked absent. 651570, State versus David Garza, and that is Manuel Escobar Jr.
Judge, I'm here. I'm present,
What's
and
that,
my
court
client is also
Roberto
present.
Garza?
All right. Mr. Garza, where are you? David Garza?
Unmute yourself, David, and announce.
I'm present.
Very good. Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Judge, we need to do some additional discovery to get some records from the state, from the lab. So we'd ask that the court reset the case so we can continue the discovery that we're doing.
Is this a blood thing? Lab
Yes, sir.
results?
Yes, sir, that's what it is.
Lots of luck.
Uh,
All right, lab results. What, how old is this case, Manuel?
Judge, I'm gonna say it's from December, this past December.
December 20?
Yes, sir.
Oh, hell, okay. Let's give you 60 days.
Yes, sir.
All right, somebody is talking, that should be muted.
I think it's that John Joseph Garcia, Judge.
All right,
Will we be excused, Your Honor? Both I don't have anything else.
okay, then if that's the case, you are excused. You and your client both take care.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Somebody is talking that should not be. Now, who is that? And it's not me. All right. 653-155 State versus Dan Brassard, and it's Tanya Rivera is the attorney.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good
Tanya
morning, Ms.
Rivera.
Rivera.
Your Honor, I spoke with my client yesterday evening, but I don't see him here on the Zoom.
All right, well, we'll leave him absent for right now, or we'll mark him absent for right now and see if he shows up. We know a lot of people have problems with their computers.
Yes,
Thank
Judge,
you, ma'am.
thank you.
655-949 State versus Thomas Arispe. And
Yes,
that's
sir.
Floyd Rivera.
Good morning, Judge. I'm present.
Are you two
Mr.
related?
Arispe should be on Zoom. He's there,
Floyd,
Judge, also.
Floyd, are you and Tanya
Yes, sir.
related?
No, Judge, no,
All right.
not.
Mr. Arispe, you're present.
Yes, I'm present.
Very good. Your phone says A7 Pro. All right. Mr. Rivera,
Yes, sir.
what are your wishes?
Okay, Judge, on this case, we were awaiting some additional discovery, and we're also awaiting for the uploading of the 911 call. And we're gonna, I mean, we conferred the last time, but an offer was not extended because there was additional discovery that we needed to receive before we could do that. We haven't received it yet. So we could either confer with them further, Judge, or give them more time to upload the 911
Let's put you at least briefly in conferring, see
Yes,
if
sir.
anything gets resolved.
Sounds good, Judge.
All right, 657-005 State versus James Benton, and that's Linda Corley.
Judge, I'm also here on that one for Miss Corley.
All righty. Any intentions for today or desires?
Judge, for
Besides
this one,
what-
I don't see Mr. Benton on. Can we see if he's on? There's several.
That's what I was about to mention. I asked, what are your desires besides you wanting your client to show up? All right, James Benton. James Benton, marked absent. Wait a little while, Ms. Beza.
Okay, Judge, I'll wait. Thank you.
657-045 State versus Juan Ramos, and that's Ray Castro, his attorney.
Counsel is present, Judge, and so is my client, Mr. Juan Ramos.
I'm here, President.
Very good. Thank you both. What
Thank
are
you,
your
Judge.
intentions, sir?
Judge, we've been having some difficulty trying to get our discovery. We've reached out to Ms. Garcia, Patty Garcia, and she's aware of the situation. We were asked to refer to Mr. Edelman. He's aware of the situation, and they're working to see what can be done that's technical, that we're not able to get the discovery. So I'm asking for a continuance on this, Judge.
Okay. Just for the record, Mr. Castro, if you want to continue, you have to file a verified motion.
Well,
I don't necessarily want you to do that.
No, I'm sorry. I'd rather ask for a reset.
There you go.
There you
Your
go.
announcement is sufficient. I will reset it for discovery. I'll give you 30 more days. Let's see what
Okay.
happens.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, then you and
Ms. Garcia.
Mr. Ramos, you and Mr. Ramos are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You know, to stay safe.
Thank you. You as well.
657-102 State versus Iris Herrera, and attorney is Marisa Ayon.
I'm present, Judge. I don't see my client on right now. Oh, okay, she's on the V90.
I see her. I believe that is she. All right, you turned the light on. Very good. You've enlightened us. You have enlightened us all this morning. All right.
I'm at work. I'm over here trying to be all.
Okay, Ms. Ayon, what are your intentions for this morning?
Yes, Judge, if I could confer with the state, I just received some video yesterday, and the blood, I believe, last week. So if I can confer with them.
Very good. It will be so. I think you're listed as number 4, but won't be long.
Thank you.
All right, scheduled for 10:30. 657-200 State versus Dominic Ramirez, and that is James Anders III. James Anders III. No answer from the attorney.
They're scheduled for 10:30, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, you're correct. Obviously, so I just announced 10:30, right? 657796 State versus Margarita Güell, and that is John Garcia. You finally get to answer, John.
Here,
John,
Judge. Sir.
Good morning, John. How are you?
Yes, do fine. I had conferred by email with the prosecutor, and he's going to contact the complainant to see if my client could put in an application for pretrial diversion. So I should find out relatively.
I fully agree with what you're saying. However, your client, where is she?
Oh, he's here.
Or
He's
rather,
present, Your Honor.
it's a he, right? Margarito.
I'm right here, Judge. Good morning, Judge.
Good morning. I see you. Very good. All right.
sir.
Now, you, what is it you're going to do, John? You're going to confer?
I had conferred. He is the prosecutor is going to get in contact with the complainant to see if it's okay that if my client can put in a pretrial diversion.
All right. Which prosecutor was that? Mr. Edelman or Mrs. Morgan?
Mr. Edelman.
All right.
Mr. Edelman.
Andrew, how much time are we going to need on this? 2 weeks?
2 weeks, sir.
All right. Reset 2 weeks.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Maybe excuse.
Yes, you may.
All right. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
You too. Both of you.
That's right. Thank you.
657-848 State versus Michael Ruiz, and that is Andrew Del Cueto.
Here you
Who's
are.
here- Who's here for Andrew?
Taylor Wood is here for Andrew Del Cueto for Michael Ruiz, and Mr. Ruiz is also on the Zoom.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Very good. I see you. And what is your name, ma'am?
Taylor Wood.
Ms. Wood?
Yes.
And say again your first name?
Taylor.
Spell it. Oh, there it is. I see it on the screen.
Oh.
Taylor. Taylor Wood. All right. What are you doing this morning?
We're still waiting on the incident detail report.
Two weeks or 30 days?
Probably the state would need 30 days.
All right.
I think we'll only need 2 weeks, sir.
Pardon me?
I think we'll only need 2 weeks, sir.
Then we'll do 2 weeks.
If you'll give me 2 minutes, I can check to see whether my request for the IDR has already been processed by our investigator, and we might have it and be able to upload it today.
Go ahead and check, please.
Yes, sir.
657-902 State versus Cornelius King, and that is Brian De La Rosa, his attorney.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Brian.
I just need to confer with the state. My client should be here.
I like that.
sir,
Should
I'm
be.
here.
All right.
There he is.
Very good. Both of you here timely. Mr. King, just so you're aware, there is a warrant for your arrest right now, Mr.
A warrant for my arrest? For
Yes,
what,
sir.
sir?
I don't know. You'll have to check. Mr. De La Rosa, check that out for your client, please.
I just saw that on here, Your Honor. We'll get that worked out.
Okay. 659907, State versus Catalan Chapa. And that is Gregory Van Cleve is attorney. Gregory Van Cleve, no answer from the
I'm
attorney.
here, sir.
And Ms. Chapa?
Yes.
Okay, I don't see you. I see your name, but not you. All right. We'll have to wait and see if your attorney shows up at this point.
She's there, Your Honor.
Ma'am?
She's sharing her video now.
Oh, yes, I'm
Okay,
here.
very good. Thank you, ma'am. Van Cleve, Gregory Van Cleve, attorney, no answer.
Judge, I believe that's Elizabeth Russell, and she's taking a plea right now in County Court 11.
All right. Two add-ons, excuse me. 640982, State versus, excuse me, State versus Jesse Duran. And that is Michael Zamora. Attorney Michael Zamora, no answer. Jesse Duran. Jesse Duran, no answer. 654353, State versus Angie Segura. And that is Linda Lessier, pardon me. Leeser. I knew I could get it one way or the other. Linda Leeser. Linda Leeser is not answering, nor is Angie Segura. All right, that's my docket for this morning. Is there anyone that thought their name should have been called and didn't hear it, or you came late and didn't hear it? Let's see or hear from you.
Yes, sir. This is Quaylen Jones. My attorney is Elizabeth Russell. I didn't have my name called.
Judge, I believe he's from yesterday's docket.
I know there was a Quaylen Jones yesterday. Mr. Jones, I think what we have here is a failure to communicate.
Ms. Russell said that, Your Honor, Ms. Russell did let me know that both of her clients that didn't show up yesterday were gonna log in this morning.
Very good. All right. Did we give her a reset already?
No, Your Honor, because there were FTAs yesterday.
Right. I understand. All right. Mr. Jones, we're gonna reschedule this because you were supposed to show up yesterday at 9. So now that you've appeared, we will make sure that the boss lady, Ms. Garcia, will make sure that there is not a warrant issued for your arrest.
Okay.
And she will communicate with your attorney and reschedule this better. Be sure you get the right date and show up at that time.
Yes, sir.
You're at this time, you're excused, sir.
Your Honor.
Your Honor, Ms. Russell is gonna be joining us. Did you want
Wait a
her,
minute.
him
Mr.
to
Jones,
stay?
you still with us?
Yes, sir, I am.
Okay, Mr. Jones, stick around because your attorney will be here today, this morning.
Okay.
And maybe we can either reschedule and get a date certain, or maybe she can do something to work this matter out. I don't know. We'll find out.
Okay.
All right, somebody else trying to speak?
Yes, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Oh, yes, Judge. I'm for Mr. James Benson. He has joined us on Zoom.
Okay. Hold on a second. I gotta get. All right, now who was speaking?
Me,
Hello?
sir.
Who's this? Oh,
James
Benton?
Benson.
All right. What's the case number?
657005.
657 005. Okay, right at the top of page 5. All right, Ms. Beza, your client is here. Very good. What are your intentions now?
Judge, for Mr. Benton's case, there's a few things that we're still trying to resolve. So for Mr. Benton's case, I am requesting a 30-day reset. Within that 30 days, we should resolve the issue that we're trying to look into. And we'll go ahead and email the prosecutor to try to see if we can work something out.
Mr. Benton, in the future, make sure you're here on time, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I understand people are having trouble getting around with his computers. Everybody here has heard me say, to err is human, forgive divine, but to really screw up, you need a computer. So that's where we're at this morning. Ms. Beza, on case number 657005, Mr. Benton is excused, and I think you have other cases, but you're through with this one for this morning. It is reset 30 days.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anybody else need to?
Your Honor, this is
Yes.
Tanya Rivera.
Yes, ma'am.
On Dan Broussard, Your Honor, I am not able to get a hold of him this morning. I'm not sure what happened. May I have until tomorrow to have him appear?
I think that's very possible.
Judge, we don't have a docket tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay. He did appear at the last setting, and I did speak with him yesterday, but I'm just not sure what happened this
Ms.
morning.
Rivera, let me
Yes, Your
suggest that you make a little effort to try and track him down this morning. If you're able to, fine. If you're not, you'll have a week to produce him. Okay?
Yes,
But
sir.
give it a few minutes. Don't run off on us.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Anybody else who did not answer at 9 o'clock when I called the docket?
Yes, sir. Roberto Garza.
Roberto, what?
Facundo Garza.
Gotta say, yeah, your attorney was looking for you.
Judge, on that point right there, it seems to be a little bit of confusion. Mr. Garza informed me this morning that he had hired someone else, but I spoke with Patty and she says I'm still listed as an attorney. So I'm not exactly sure how to proceed.
Okay. What's the case number, Marshall?
One of them is 636-900 and another one is 651-473. He's got 3 cases on the docket, Your Honor.
What's the lowest number?
Let me check.
It's 623-506, Your Honor.
623.
623-506.
Yes, bottom of page 2. All right. Mr. Roberto Garza, you're here now?
Yes, sir. My lawyer's calling me right now. I don't know if I should just stay on Zoom or answer it.
Who's your lawyer?
Jesse Rivera.
Okay, we'll need to visit with him because Mr. White right now is attorney of record, and Mr. Rivera has been hired. He'll have to file particular documents.
I was not informed or aware that I had a court-appointed attorney on this case until today.
Okay. Mr. White, we're going to go ahead and excuse you from this case.
Okay, well, this gentleman, he's got 3 cases, Your Honor.
Right.
Okay.
Mr. Garza, did you hire Mr. Rivera on all 3 cases?
Yes, that's correct.
All right. Very good then. We'll make sure that you're not responsible for this any further, Marshall.
Thank you so much, Judge. May I be excused?
Yes, you may. You take good care and stay safe.
Thank you. You do the same, Judge.
I've got to. I'm the only one of me I have. All right. You too.
Am I excused, Judge?
No, we gotta wait for Mr. Rivera to show up and see what he's gonna do, what we're gonna do.
He just called me right now. Do I call him back and get back on Zoom?
I would suggest that'd be a good idea. Yes, sir.
Judge,
Okay,
Your Honor, he can stay on, just stop his video and mute himself.
Okay.
Did you hear that from the boss lady?
Yes, sir.
That's Miss Garcia. She's the court coordinator. She runs everything here.
Okay, sir.
Alrighty. Anybody else that did not answer at 9 o'clock the way they were supposed to? All right, then we'll be in recess.
Your Honor, Dan Brassard just logged on.
Well, 9:32 on the 9 o'clock docket. Very good. What case number is that?
I'm not sure, but it's Tanya Rivera's client.
Ms. Rivera,
Yes, Your Honor.
it appears that your client has showed up.
That is great news.
What do you wish to do, ma'am?
I would like to confer with Miss Caitlin, please. I conferred with her at the last setting.
Okay, what is the case number we're talking about?
This is case 653155.
I happen to be on the right page, 653155. Tanya Rivera and Mr. Brassard. Good morning, Mr. Brassard. Mr. Brassard, be aware that you were supposed to be here at 9 o'clock. Somebody's not muted. All right.
The noise is coming from him.
Mr. Brassard, go ahead and mute your system. Mute it. Mute your system.
Oh, I didn't?
Yeah, mute. We don't get all the racket that you're making. Stick around. Your attorney is here. She's going to confer. Hello.
Hello?
What is your question?
Yes, sir.
What is your question?
Oh, what question?
Okay. Mr. Brassard, can you mute your system? You know, where we don't hear the noise or anything else in the background.
Can you hear me? Hello? Oh, can you hear me now?
I can hear you.
Okay.
Judge, I will send Mr. Brassard a text. I'm not sure if he can hear us.
That's fine.
Thank
All right. Ms. Rivera, I will put you to confer.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
May I address the court, Judge?
Of course. Mr. Martinez, what you got?
I'll mute myself.
Judge, in regards to that stack of tickets that you have in the appeals, would we be able to confer with the trial attorney to see if we can work them out today, Judge? I have one of those in that stack.
Well, I hope you will. Absolutely, because I've got a big stack of them.
Yes, Your Honor. If I can get on the list, Judge, to speak to the prosecutor, I would greatly appreciate that, Judge.
All right. Let me put you on there, Mr. Martinez.
And that would be in regards to my client, Andres Martinez.
All right. We'll get back with you.
Of course, Judge. Thank you. It's good seeing you, sir.
Same here.
Judge, were we excused? I'm here on Michael Ruiz. I guess we're waiting for the prosecutor to pull the incident detail report.
Your Honor, we have the IDR. I can upload it today.
Did you hear that, Ms. Wood?
House down.
That sounds great. Thank you.
He'll come back on Monday.
This is Armando Martinez.
All right. Mr. Edelman, would you please confer with Melissa Lesniak? She has two cases. Ms. Morgan,
Yes, sir.
I need you to confirm with Floyd Rivera. Patty, are you assigning them to breakouts?
Yes, Your Honor, if you want me to.
Well, I can do it too. All right, let's see. We're gonna have,
Just let me know the names, Judge, and I'll do it.
all right,
I could stop YouTube.